So whether you're aiming for Leon Hei's subtle elegance, Carina Lau's flawless skin, or Hye Kyo's radiant glow, or Jennifer Lopez's firm and youthful appearance, there is a skin tightening treatment that fits your needs.
Hey, 老板
Hello, how can I help you?
I heard from your stunt that you are 51. How you stay so young looking?
Oh, I do a lot of treatments. I'm very vain.
Oh, okay. So what treatments do you do? Can you tell me more?
Oh, come. Have a seat. I'll tell you more. Wondering what's the secret to keeping you young and natural looking? Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Chua, founder and senior medical director of SL Aesthetic Clinic. I personally enjoy bringing in different machines to test out which works best, since everyone's aged differently. For this video, I'll be sharing with you 4 popular skin tightening treatments among my patients and which celebrities is best suited for them. I think maintenance of our own self is very important. Tailoring your needs to our own issues is also very important. Everyone has different issues. Even a simple aging topic is also very complex. Different people age differently depending on their genetics, their lifestyles, and their face shape. Some people have skin issues, others are losing hair, and some have pigmentation problems. All of these can make you look older, but each needs different treatments and maintenance. I have seen 2 identical twins who look and age totally different just because of their maintenance and lifestyle. One of the important factors influencing your aging is doing the right treatment for maintenance early. Therefore, you need to diagnose your problem and select the right treatment for yourself. There are many machines and treatments out there, but you don't have to do every treatment under the sun, but rather the right ones regularly to slow down aging. Another important point is to know when to change treatments in order to manage different types of aging that you face. As we age, different problems arises with different age, and knowing which treatment to do at a different stage is very important. Of course, finding the right doctor to recommend and tailor these treatments will ensure a much better outcome, and it can also prevent you from becoming fake looking or give you an overdone look. Different lifting machines target different layers of the face. Although all layers will experience aging, different layers show more for different people. So today, I'm going to bring you into the world of skin tightening technology. I personally enjoy bringing different machines to test out which works best since everyone's age differently. For this video, I'll be sharing with you 4 popular skin tightening among all my patients, which is Ultherapy, Sofwave, Thermash FLX, Photona 6D treatment, and which celebrity are suitable for which treatment. Let's start with Ultherapy, a flavor for someone like Leon An. Known for her graceful aging, Leon An has kind of features that will benefit from Ultherapy's ability to lift and tighten the deep layers of the skin. Ultherapy uses high-intensity focal ultrasound to target the SMARS layer, which is a deep layer just underneath the subcutaneous tissue, and it is the similar layer that we do for surgical facelifts. It stimulates collagen production, providing a gradual natural lift. Ultherapy is perfect for those who want subtle results without looking too overdone. It's particularly great for people experiencing deeper sagging but wanting a more non-invasive natural lift. Now, let's move on to our 6D Pro Laser, which is an ideal option for someone like Carina Lau, who still wants to maintain a radiant, youthful appearance. 6D Pro Laser is special because it not only targets the superficial and the deep layers, but it also targets our mucosa. Our mucosa is behind our laugh lines, and by targeting our mucosa, it has very good effect on our laugh lines over here. And that, with all the multi-layers of target, is able to give us a very natural and great lift without going under the knife. For someone like Hye Kyo, who is known for her smooth and radiant complexion, Sofwave would be an ideal choice. Sofwave targets the mid-dermis, helping tighten the skin and the wrinkles without much downtime. It's a great treatment for those looking for a quick lift with little recovery time. Perfect for someone like Hye Kyo, who needs to look flawless on and off screen. The treatment is known for its efficacy, and you can see results within weeks. Last but not least, let's talk about RF facelift. This treatment is well suited for someone like Jennifer Lopez, who is known for her smooth, firm skin. RF facelift uses radiofrequency energy to heat the deep collagen-rich layers of the dermis, providing prolonged tightening effects. RF lifting provides a continued long-term tightening over 6 months. This is ideal for someone who has a busy schedule and can only come once in a while. The key is to find the right solution for your unique skin solution here in SL Aesthetic Clinic. Thanks for joining me today to learn about the different skin tightening treatments we offer here in SL Aesthetic Clinic. Remember, there is no one-size-fits-all solution. Each treatment has its own strength and is suited for different needs. If you are interested in any of these treatments or have any questions, feel free to book a consultation with us. We are here to help you achieve the best results for your skin. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss our future videos. See you next time. Thank you.